Dongguan Xinke Electronic Technology Co. and Xinke Industrial Limited. Established in 2013, registered capital of 12 million yuan, more than 50 employees, is a company specializing in hardware etching manufacturing and etching, stamping welding as one of the production enterprises. Since the establishment of the company, with a group of excellent staff, advanced technology, excellent equipment, strict management has been continuously developing and expanding. Product quality has been highly recognized by the industry. The company has a professional etching workshop, dust-free exposure workshop, automatic decoating line and other professional production equipment. We have complete scientific quality management system and professional measuring equipment, secondary chemical laboratory, hardness tester spectrometer and salt spray tester. Products have passed SGS Rose report, etc. Products cover home appliance accessories, car accessories, beauty tools, coffee machine accessories and tea filters, bathroom accessories, etc. Over the past 10 years, the company, in absorbing domestic and foreign advanced technology, and technology on the basis of, and wisdom and experience in the industry for many years, continuously break through the technical difficulties. The precision and stability of the products, reliability of the product ranks the leading position in the country, successfully provide customers with complete solutions, won the recognition of many domestic and foreign customers, and with the Australian ARB company Aston, Xiaomi and other well-known enterprises, achieved a long-term good relations of cooperation. Products are exported to South Korea, Japan, the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, Iran and other countries and regions. Quality comes from specialty. Xinke people always with exquisite technology and excellent craftsmanship. Careful service. Provide customers with better quality products.